Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From una ear the voice, una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, a senior citizen, Coral Wizard, 65, was shot dead Wednesday night, and his stepson injured during a robbery at a shop on Erie Castle Road in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. I don't know where to turn and what to do. 3 of us lived together, and I came home and heard that one dead and one gone to hospital. It is not a good feeling to come and buck up in that, said Lucille Lewis, the common law wife of Wizard. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear this now. 65-year-old senior citizen shot dead. Nobody no know the reason why it happened. Nobody no know where it boiled down to, but una know me already. We just pass on the message, make una know what is going on in the country. Cause una know so when Brother Big Nose ready, him come out and talk about crime are reduce when nothing like that. So una know when we get the time, I have to expose these things.
Think about the system and what you endure. I'm just gonna ask people, are you gonna sue for losses? What's your thought right now when it comes to that?
I start them by now. Legal case. We never call it.
The Privy Council?
No, not even Privy Council. After that, when we come back to Jamaica.
Yes.
The little, 5
Oh,
years.
the retrial.
The retrial in a court of appeal there. Just the affidavit them and the application them. A 14 million Jamaican dollar cost me. You know that? Privy Council, that about 600,000 pounds. That 100 million Jamaican dollar. I want to start talking about the Jamaica appeal,
right.
Now the Jamaica first trial. You understand? So that's supposed to answer the question. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so that's a yes. I know you answer the question.
Context, me just see the people in some context. And it matters.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear how much money it costs Vibes Cartel? Wanna hear what him say? How much money it costs him? 100 million. Hey, wanna hear them the money there? Eh? Wanna hear them the money there, my wisdom warriors? How much money it costs him? Wanna things saying for sue the government? May I ask Uno, because me not gonna answer this, I want Uno tell me in the comment section. Uno think say I'm gonna sue the government, or Uno think say if you sue the government? Which one? Uno think you have it in mind? Tell me what Uno think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is urging Jamaicans to remain vigilant as COVID-19 is once again on the rise. In a release on Thursday, the ministry says the high transmission is based on surveillance data among the population. The ministry says in July, the country recorded 176 COVID-19 cases. That's a 16% increase from the 152 reported in June. 13 COVID-19 deaths have also been reported since the start of the year. This is according to the article Nationwide in Jamaica, my wisdom warriors. So, on here, what the health minister say right now, the Ministry of Health Ministry is warning you guys and urging Jamaicans to remain vigilant as COVID-19 is once again on the rise. So, my advice to Uno, start wear back Uno mask. Stay away from people, which we don't know, say, you know what, I can't really talk too much on this, my wisdom warriors. I have to follow community guidelines. But Uno just do the right thing. Anyway, I want to take in this. My wisdom warriors, watch lie. Major crimes continue to decline island-wide. Lord Jesus, may I tell you, all serious crimes have shown a decline across the country since the start of the year. That's according to the latest statistic from Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF. If you stop it, Hey, dangerous, brother. Me I feel laugh. My wisdom warriors, me literally laughing. You can't imagine. According to the JCF, murders have gone down by 15% since the start of the year. Jaja, shootings decrease by 2%. Really? Really? Coming in at 629 so far this year. That's 14 fewer than the number recorded for last year corresponding period. Other major crimes such as rapes, robberies, and break-ins are also trending down. Really? Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors. You believe this here? Me say if you believe this here. Seriously. JCF, you stop it, you stop it. A policeman remains in hospital with multiple injuries after being mowed down by a motorist during a traffic stop along Old Hope Road in St. Andrew on Thursday. The police say counseling support is being provided by its chaplaincy unit to the colleagues of the injured policeman. The driver is still being sought by the police. My wisdom warriors, taking this. You know, so I can show you exactly what good on, but you just have a look at this. My wisdom warriors, that's all I could show you. I can't show you the whole thing. I have to follow community guidelines. But if you don't want to see the full video, you check out my WhatsApp group. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Anyway, hear this.
Morning, good evening, good afternoon, my peeps. So this is a new thing to me now. You see me? So I never know say America have an approved school here in Jamaica. Right? If somebody that said it to me, would I say a lie? Alright? I mean no say I'm not gonna say a lie this. So this is an approved school for only white kids only from America. See it here? This is in St. Mary. Up in what's her name? Vale. Up in Vale. Right? See? All the way. See? How much somebody know about this? How much person know about this? Yeah, really? Now, as the knowledge that I gather, all this land is there. Belong to America. Eh? Plant up, farm up on all of them something. This is so new to it. So, people, let me know if you know about this approved school here in Jamaica. Only for Americans.
My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. Me do my research, to be quite honest, because a lot of people has been talking about it and a lot of people are lick out against it. But to me, I don't see nothing wrong with it, to be quite honest. But when I do my research, this is what I found out. The Youth of Vision Academy, which them call the YOVA, the Youth of Vision Academy YOVA is a private Christian boarding school established to provide behavioral, therapeutic and educational services to children and young adolescents in a safe and nurturing environment. YOVA aims to empower, equip and educate youth to make positive life-changing decisions through the development of the physical, mental, social and spiritual faculties. So my wisdom warriors, I don't know if there's any truth to it of what this guy is saying, but when me do my checks, it seems okay to me. However, well, allegedly there has been some physical abuse going on there, allegedly, and that I'm reading at the paper. Alright, you know what? Let me just read out one little part and show you before you see a lie me I tell. Focus on another private school for foreign children in Jamaica. Battle on between U.S. attorney St. Mary's School to release American girl. School director rejects claims of abuse as false narratives. This was June 24, 2024. Well, it was recently, my wisdom warriors. So let's just read more. Jamaica-born Noel Reid, one of the directors at a private Christian boarding school in St. Mary Youth of Vision Academy, YOVA, is denying claims by a United States-based attorney that serious personal and physical abuse of children have surfaced in relation to the institution. Reid has labeled the claims by the New York-based nonprofit and children's rights attorney Dawn Post as false narratives. Amid it all, Post is fighting for a 17-year-old American girl at the facility to be released and placed in the care of a guardian in the U.S., who she said has been appointed by an Iowa court in the North American country. On its website, YOVA said it is a private Christian boarding school established to provide behavioral, therapeutic, and educational services to children and young adolescents in a safe and nurturing environment. YOVA aims to empower, equip, and educate youth to make positive, life-changing decisions through the development of the physical, mental, social, and spiritual faculties, the entity said. Reid said the school, which he directs, is registered with the Education and Youth Ministry in Jamaica. However, he said while he has never been formally informed by the Ministry of Education that a probe is unrelative to YOVA, he suspects that there is some form of investigation underway based on visits to the institution by representatives from the Child Protection and Family Service Agency, which is the CPFSA, the U.S. Embassy, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The YOVA's director has concluded that the visit may have been as a result of what he cited as baseless assertions about personal and physical abuse at the institution. So my wisdom warriors, there you go. There you go. You say, me did bring it up. I want to know say for myself. Because sometimes when I say the things, them some people I say a lie. You understand? I'm tell you say. I'm not going to say nothing unless I have the evidence. So see the evidence there. So you tell me what you really think about this YOVA Academy, because I hear what the young man was saying. You understand? I hear what I say. So no just tell me what you think about it. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, take in this.
Good afternoon, citizens of the Grange Hill Division. This is your councillor, Warren Lickerton. Comrade Chairman Ian Hales, Vice President of the People's National Party, and our next Member of Parliament for Western Westmoreland. Comrade Ian Hills will be having his annual back to school treat starting August 12th. We'll be going through various communities in the Grange Hill area. We'll be doing Church Lincoln, Kings Valley, Peggy Barry, Minch Road, and the grand finale at the Grange Hill Bus Park in Grange Hill Square. Comrade Hills is a son of the soil. He attended the Grange Hill Primary School. That's why he places so much emphasis on education in this place. The bags are here as you.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna see what the PNP they are doing. Wanna see. So I think it's Ian Hales that is doing this. So everybody, I just want to know what is going on. So the PNP, them just now sit down. Them just now sit down and do nothing at all. They are out here working. Even though the Labour Party I make it look like PNP are the worst and they now do nothing. Now follow them. This is why I'm showing you this particular video. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097 and I will definitely add you to the group. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.